This Flowmaster Outlaw Series Axle-Back Exhaust in black with black tips is for those of you that have a 2012 and up JK that are looking for the loudest exhaust system available. This is going to install very easily onto your Jeep, definitely a 1 out of 3 wrench installation, about an hour's time to get it installed. And after that hour, you are going to have the loudest system that you can get for your Jeep. I mean, you can just look at this thing, you can see what the factory can normally looks like to cut down on your exhaust noise. And this has just a little tube. This is a very small bullet style muffler. This is going to be the loudest system that you can get. So if you're looking for the most exhaust volume, a nice deep aggressive exhaust note, this is going to be a really great option for you. If you're looking for something that's going to be a little bit more mild, just give a little bit more of a grunt, this is not it. This is definitely going to be one of the more extreme systems available. This is also going to be a system that is coming out of Flowmaster, which is a very well-known name in exhaust. This is going to be a very high quality material, not only of the system itself, but also of the exhaust tip. So it's going to hold up and last a long time as well. But because of that quality of build and the quality of materials that you're getting, this is definitely going to be more expensive than some of the other axle-backs available. As far as the construction goes, like I mentioned before, you're getting something that's very high quality here. This is going to be a 409 stainless system that is covered with a black ceramic coating. The high quality stainless steel means that this isn't going to rust through like a mild steel system would, even if you were to have a little bit of this coating end up flaking off and get damaged in one way or another. Of course, this is going to come with 2 tips because this is a dual outlet system. These are going to be 4-inch tips where the rest of the tubing is a factory 2.5. And again, these are going to have that same black finish on them, and they are actually going to be a 304 stainless, so an even higher quality stainless for the tip, because that is the part that you're going to see the most coming out of the back of the Jeep. As with most axle-back systems, this will mate right up with your factory over axle pipe. It's going to use your factory hangers. It's going to be a very, very easy install. There's just a little bit less stuff here because it is such a small bullet style muffler and not a much larger factory style can. So to get this installed, very simple, 1 out of 3 wrenches, probably only an hour or so. There's just 1 clamp that you have to remove and 2 hangers that you have to remove to get the factory axle back off of your Jeep, get it out of the way. Then you can go ahead and get this installed. You'll slide this side here over the factory over axle pipe using the included clamp, attach these hangers onto the factory hangers, and then attach your tips onto the system, tighten everything down, and you're finished. Like I said at the beginning, you are going to be paying a bit of a premium for the build quality and for the quality of materials you're getting here. Anytime you step up into a 409 system that has 304 tips, you're going to be paying a little bit more money because this is a system that's going to last a long time. When you couple that with the fact that Flowmaster puts a lot of R&D into their exhaust systems to ensure that you're going to get exactly what you're looking for, in this case, the most aggressive sound and aggressive volume, you are paying for a premium product, so you're going to be paying a premium price. As long as you have the budget for it, I do think you're getting a lot for your money. So if you're looking for one of the loudest exhaust systems available for your JK, I definitely recommend taking a look at the Outlaw by Flowmaster, and you can find it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.